Hey guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing of one of my Christmas presents. It's the crockpot, the original slow cooker. It's the 6-quart oval. And then it comes with this little minier one. It says Cookbook Little Dipper Warmer. So I'm going to unbox it and show you guys. Sorry that my daughter just bumped the tripod. So I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of this. I hope that the camera quality is okay because I'm using my phone. I was going to use my camera, but then I realized that I would not be able to see myself, and it's a lot easier being able to see myself flat. And my daughter keeps bumping the tripod. I might have to wait until her dad gets home and redo this video, but we're going to try. So, this baby opened up. So first of all, when I open it up, this is what I see. I already took the cookbook out, looked at it, and it has a bunch of recipes in it. It says cookbook and owner's manual. It's got like important notes, diagram of the crockpot, how you put it together. And then it's got a cookbook and it has appetizers and side dishes, beef and pork, chicken and turkey, seafood, soups, stews and chowders, vegetarian, desserts, beverages, and little dipper warmer recipes. And it has quite a few good recipes in here. It has the crockpot has a 1-year limited warranty. It's got hints and tips for pasta and rice, beans, vegetables, herbs and spices, milk, soups, and meats. It's got classic cheese fondue recipe, chicken wings and barbecue sauce recipe, zesty Italian barbecue meatballs recipe, Boston baked beans recipe, scalloped potatoes recipe, spiked and spiced almonds recipe, spinach and artichoke dip, hot crab dip, slow cooker mac and cheese, slow cooker green bean casserole, favorite chili, please don't open it before mommy gets a chance, French beef burgundy, French beef burgundy, Swiss steak, classic marinara sauce. Please don't touch the tripod, honey. Life with children trying to film videos is hard. And I am exhausted today, but I enjoy filming videos, and so I'm doing something that I enjoy. Trying to get myself out of this one. But anyways, here we go. It's got a meatloaf recipe, pot roast, barbecue pork, spicy beef roast, Caribbean pork chops, roasted lamb, lamb chops, la orange, stuffed lamb roast, smoked sausage gumbo, just a ton of recipes, a lot of them that I won't even use, a lot of them that I will use. Are you okay? You're okay. And excuse the mess behind me. I have a 4-year-old and a 1.5-year-old, and they pull things out faster than I can put them up. I look like crap today, but I'm still doing this video, so on with the video. Sorry, it's like really freaky. Okay, so So, I don't think I can get it out on my lap. I don't even know how I'm going to get this out. I feel like I got put that in wrong. Okay, like 20 minutes of this video is going to be me just trying to get the damn thing out of the box. Oh, here we go. I'm getting it. Here we go. Got it out of the box and I broke it. Okay, so. We're going to start with the little warmer.
Mom, are you opening that?
Please, Haley, no. Okay, so. Please, Haley. Can you go play?
Mommy, can you get my guidance?
So, it comes with this little tiny crock pot. It's the crock pot little dipper. And it's tiny. And it's got a plastic lid. And the lid is bent. So, how that's going to work. And there's that. This came with it. It's pretty cool. And I got this from my father-in-law and my brother-in-law. So, yeah, that's the little dipper that comes with it. It's pretty small, but it's for, like, cheeses or whatever, like fondue or, I don't know. I'll figure it out. So, there's that. And then, there's the lid. There's the ceramic base. And it says that, what does it say? Please, Haley, stop. It said, I believe it said that this part and the lid is dishwasher safe. And, it said that okay, lid and stoneware, dishwasher safe, yes. And then the stoneware, which is this piece, is oven safe and microwave safe. So that's pretty cool, I thought. Like my other crock pot, I don't think any of that was microwave safe or anything like that. And then here is the actual part, this part. And it goes together like this. So that goes in there, like that. And you just put the lid on. And it's like that. And it is a digital, so like there's low, high, and warm, and I think you can adjust the temperature. So let's see. Let me grab something to plug it in, and we will see how that is. Okay, just a second. Okay, I'm back. Got something to plug it in with, and I noticed that on the back of it, it has this little thing right here that you can wind the cord up on. So that's pretty cool. The other one didn't have that. This was something that I really have been wanting for a while and I really wanted for Christmas. And I got a really nice one, I feel like. This is a really nice crock pot. Please do not break the lid. So, let's plug the bad boy in and see. Can you give me that, Haley? Grab me that. Can you grab that for me? Hand it to Mommy. No, over here. Come here. Grab me that. Grab me that. Hand it to me. Thank you. Okay, so I just plugged it in. And when I plug it in, it blinks. And then I just go select. There's low, there's high, there's warm, and then there's a timer on it, that's pretty cool. So, I don't know if you can see that or not. So, there's low, it's off. Okay, so there's low, there's high, there's warm, and then if it's not on warm, there's a timer. So my other one didn't have that, so there's a timer on it too. So I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, so that is the crock pot. It's the actual crock pot brand, the original slow cooker. And if you guys have any questions about how well it works, then I'm going to be using it soon. Go ahead and ask. This, I think, is going to be notification on my phone. But yeah, so this was one of my this was one of my Christmas presents. And I just now opened it, and I thought that it would be cool to film and stuff. So I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and tell your friends. Alright? I hope everybody's having a great